Hey, what's up guys? Justin with 21 Tactical. Today we're going to take a look at the Benchmade Mini Bugout. This little guy was sent to me by the man, the myth, the legend himself, Mr. Charles Lemansky, who actually won this on another channel in a giveaway not too long ago. Which, as you can see, it has a black drop point S30V blade, white grivery handles, reversible deep carry pocket clip, which is tip up only. The overall length on this guy is 6.49 inches with a blade length of 2.82 and a cutting edge of 2.75. The width of the blade is 0.875 with a thickness of 0.09. The handle length or close length is 3.71 with a width of 1 inch and 0.42 on the thickness. The weight of this bad boy is, let's get an accurate weight here, 1.515. So again, it's going to disappear in your pocket with that deep carry pocket clip. I gotta say, I'm absolutely in love with this little guy. You know, I love the Bugout to begin with. I love the action. I love how you can just walk around the house doing this all day. Every one of them, even if you don't use the thumb stud, the thumb stud action is just so snappy on a Bugout. You gotta love it. Now, compared to the Big Daddy, you can see it's just, what, a little over an inch shorter. And compared to the Para 3, yeah, right around the same, about 1.25 inches, something like that, which it's a really great EDC size. And the thing is, with this white grivery, is you can dye this whatever color you want, and it will take RIT dye very easily. You know, you will have to boil it, all that stuff. It's not just gonna, you know, you just can't throw it in there and soak it. But it will take whatever color you're aiming for really good. Again, my wife is absolutely in love with this thing. She's carried it more than me, which I have to go steal it from her every now and again. But pretty soon I'm about to have to give it back, and I think we're both going to cry on that one. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe, and if you haven't already, check me out on Instagram where you guys can enter for a chance to win the Revo Knives giveaway, which I will be giving away this Berserk to one lucky winner. The winner will be announced this Friday, September 18th, and I will be throwing in a couple extra prizes on top of it. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, stay safe out there. See you guys on the next one.